guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a snow day. So we are trying AQUABEADS Disney Princess Character Set that we bought from Aldi. As you can see, it has designs for 5 princesses. We have Tiana, Jasmine, Ariel, Belle, and Rapunzel. There's a sprayer, a layout tray, and an assortment of beads. And here to help us today are, who's here?
There's Belle, Rapunzel, and Ariel.
All right, let's open up and see what we got.
Which one are you gonna do first?
I don't know. Do you want to look at the designs first?
Okay.
Aren't these such cute designs? I think the first thing we should do, honey, is maybe put some water in here.
Okay.
Okay.
Like, and then get it dry.
And let it dry.
And let it dry.
I could not find the subdivided tray that we have from the Dollar Tree, so I just brought out these little containers that you can buy in the kitchen section. Some of the colors are very similar to each other, so we're hoping that if we separate them from each other, rather than having like colors in the same one, that we'll be able to see them better. Okay, so let's get started.
Look! Look, Mom!
Let's see. What are you humming?
Take on adventure.
Okay.
Hey, Mom, look!
Oh, I like the flower. I think Rapunzel is the cutest because she's all these cool details and flowers.
Yep, she is. When kids make her braid.
Yeah, it all comes from that braid, the hair, right? Uh-oh. Definitely some good fine motor activity here. So if you have a child and you're working on fine motor strength or stamina for writing, the tweezers especially would be nice to use for this, but if they can't do that, that's okay. And we're finding that some of them are a little staticky, so they're being drawn to other parts. So this is kind of relaxing. What do you think?
Okay, kind of, but maybe.
Maybe.
We're doing this together.
Okay, so now that they are all together, we're going to spray them.
Yay!
Okay, so it has been exactly 60 minutes. Are you ready to peel it off?
Yeah, I'm kind of scared. How about you?
I'm scared, yes. I don't want to break them. But you know, I think the cool thing about these is that if it breaks off, that you could spray it a little bit and then let it dry, and then it'll be fine. Okay, you try it. You just go very slowly. Okay, we are on our final one.
Dear
Let me do some princess nails while waiting.
Scared.
No, don't be scared. Nice and gentle. Go ahead. Little by little. Little by little. There you go. Be careful with the tail. Oh, yay! All right. So, what did you think of this toy?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. This is our first time doing aqua beads, and we totally enjoyed it. It was kind of relaxing and fun at the same time, right? A nice, quiet activity to do, especially on a snow day. Do you think you would buy any others? Yeah? Okay. If you like aqua beads, let us know if you've tried them before, if you've had success, or maybe not so much. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget us. Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye from the princesses.
Hi there. Oh, who say hi there? It's me, Ariel. Sorry, Ariel was talking. This is so much fun. Here, I could turn away back.